In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove product from collection on Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin so you are on your main dashboard. From here, look at the menu on the left side, click Products, and then select Collections. This is where Shopify lists all of the collections in your store, including any collections you created manually and any that are generated automatically. Next, find the collection you want to edit and click directly on the collection name to open it. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct collection, because any changes you make here will affect what customers see on that collection page in your online store. Once you are inside the collection, scroll down until you see the Products section. This area shows every product that is currently included in that collection. If the list is long, scroll carefully and look for the exact product title you want to remove, since many stores have similar product names or different variants. When you locate the product you want to remove, you have two common ways to take it out of the collection. In some cases, you can click the X icon next to that product. Clicking that X removes the product from the collection list. In other cases, you may see a checkbox next to each product. Check the box next to the product you want to remove. Then choose the option that says Remove from Collection. Both options accomplish the same thing, so use whichever one you see in your admin. After you remove the product, pause for a second and make sure it is no longer listed in the Products section. This quick check helps you avoid saving the page before the change is actually applied. Finally, click Save. Saving is important because Shopify will not publish your change to the collection unless you save. After the save completes, the product will no longer appear in that collection on your storefront. Keep in mind, removing a product from a collection does not delete the product from your store. It only removes it from that specific collection. And that covers everything you need to know.